All right, guys, in today's video, we are featuring this updated slick gaiter from a company out of Canada. This is the third time that I featured them on the channel. They keep making little improvements and they send me out more stuff and do an updated video for them, so I appreciate that. So what was already considered a great neck gaiter is even better. And welcome, guys, to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel. My name is Brian, where we try to help you grow your best beard possible. And along the way, over the past year and a half, or so, we had the need to have lots of face covering. So we did try to find face covering options that were beard friendly, and we landed upon the slick gaiter here being the best neck gaiter that's both beard friendly and can serve multi-purposes as well. So we're going to talk about the most updated one. So one of the things that they did in the last update was they put in a nose clip, nose wire, which really gives you a better fit without having to pull everything quite so tight. It'll kind of stay up on its own. On the last version, which I have here, it had little knobs at the end and the wire is round. So now they've got, the wire's about the same size, but now it's flat. And there's no little knobs at the end. So that means it's going to sit here. You can form it right around your nose. You get a much better fit. And especially if you wear glasses, if you have a tendency to fog things up when you're wearing your face coverings and neck gaiters, this would be a welcome addition for you guys. Another thing that they did was very important, because that's this thing, if you did not know, they have a filter pocket in it. So this is the inside. I've got it turned inside out here so you can see it. So they've got a filter pocket that is sewn all the way across that, and it comes with two filters. By the way, you can find these available on Amazon or at slickgaiter.com. I'll put links to both of those in the description below. So on the previous version, they had the same idea, but it was where it's sewed at is down just a little bit. You'll see it's about 3/4 of the way below the top of the neck gaiter. So what that means is sometimes it would be hard to keep the filter pocket above your nose. If you look at it now, here's the updated one. Once again, I've got this turned inside out. It's the only thing you've got at the top is just room enough for the little cord that goes around it. And then you've got your filter pocket that is sewn in. You can, and they have little buttons in it. So all you do is you slide your little filter down in it, and then you can put the buttons across it, and then you are good to go. It's all sewed in. By the way, everything is washable, and I have washed one of these several times to make sure it would hold up. Another thing that they did was to improve how the bungee cord at the top is attached, and you've got this little doodad here at the end that will keep it from coming apart, and it will stay together and hold it better as you're washing it. So everything works really well. I actually use them when I mow the yard. So even though we're not quite there yet, we're moving towards the post-pandemic world. So you may not have the necessity to wear a face covering all the time. I have allergies, so the filtration system, having a filter in it is really good to keep the allergens out of my nose and my mouth. And then also I use it to keep the sun off the back of my neck without having to wear a lot of sunscreen, which I hate. So I do use those. And even if you don't want to cover up your nose and stuff, you can just kind of wear it around your neck. I know a lot of fishermen do that as well. If you want to even pull it up over your ears to cover those up so that it won't get sunburned, you can do that as well. So once again, this material is made out of polyester and spandex, so it is moisture wicking. It is very light. You can wear it in the summertime and it really does not add to the heat, does not make you extra hot. So it actually does a good job to pull the moisture away. So the only drawback that I've found on this latest update is the filter pocket itself. So here's the older version. It was made out of the same kind of spandex material. On the new one that I received, it's actually made out of a thicker material. It's more like a canvas or something, so it's a little bit extra thick, and that does two things. One, it can make it harder to breathe if you know, but the other thing is it's not stretchy, which means that the material here does not stretch around your head quite as easily. So I tried one, I cut it cut the little filter pocket off of one just so I could wear it in the yard, and it works well for me. That was the only kind of step back that I saw for my purposes. And for your purposes, you may need it to be that extra thick material, and if so, then this would work well for you. But once again, it's got a bungee cord on the bottom. It's got a bungee cord at the top of that. I will put one on here so you can see it in action. Right. Once again, you've got the flexible or the flexible nose strip that goes right across there, and you can get a nice fit. And then you've got the little bungee cord at the top. You can cinch it down. You've got one at the bottom. You can kind of tuck it in your shirt if you want. You got a lot of options there, but it really helps me to keep the sun off of my neck. And then if I want to, I can wear a hat. I can pull this up over my ears, keep it from getting sunburned if I want to do that as well. So if you're outdoors, this would be a great option for you. And let me know in the comments if you've tried out Slick Gaiter, or if you're still wearing a mask these days. Do you expect to wear one when you're out and doing other things? Keep the sun off of you, possibly keep out the allergens if you're mowing the yard. That's probably the main places I would use it. If I'm out fishing on a boat, something like that, I would probably use that as well. Anytime I can get away with using less sunscreen, go wear the long sleeve shirts made out of the same kind of material. It's a whole lot better. Try to keep that sun off of you for as long as you can. The older I get, the more I realize how important it is to keep the sun off of your skin and try to keep it healthy. So check out Slick Gaiter, and as always, guys, I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next video.